Hey guys! For today's video, I will show you how to create account on WeChat. So first, simply go to Play Store and search for WeChat. And simply click on install option. So now, you can see installation of WeChat app is successfully done. So simply click on open WeChat app. And after that, you can see here below two options, logged in and sign up. Simply if you don't reach out account, so simply click on sign up and here you can see two options. Sign up via mobile and sign up with Facebook. So if you want to sign up with your mobile phone, so click on mobile phone. And here you can search your country. And my country is Philippines. So click on it. So after some time, you can see your privacy and policy page. So simply click on it and read the accept and above terms. You can easily sign up with a mobile phone. And after that, you can face this QR code. Then you'll create your WeChat account. It's very easy and simple. So there you have it. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe.